Today we have invited Bruce, Software Product Manager from OPPO, to tell us more about ColorOS operating system design and unique features on Reno 14 series. Hello, Bruce.
Hi, Eliza. It's great to be here.
So, what is the unique user experience that OPPO aims to deliver through the Reno 14 software design?
Smart and smooth has always been the core experience that we want to deliver to users through ColorOS. Let's start with smoothness. We believe that smoothness is one of the most important values that users care about. For us, smoothness isn't just about no lag. It isn't just about speed for the sake of speed. It's about making the experience more intuitive and more natural. To achieve this kind of intuitive smoothness, we've done a lot of human factor research and thousands of rounds of animation parameter tuning. Building on all this work, we finally launched our Trinity Engine and Luminous Rendering engine in ColorOS 15. The Trinity Engine goes deep into the system to maximize performance, ensuring a smooth experience even in high-load scenarios like multitasking or long-time gaming. The Luminous Rendering engine focuses on visual rendering, making the interface feel more natural and responsive to touch. With Luminous Rendering engine, apps launch and switch now support parallel animation. It's super fast, fluid, and reacts when and where you want. But of course, smoothness is just one part of the experience. Today, people want their phone not to just respond, but to understand, to think a step ahead. That's where smart really starts to matter. What we want is for AI to truly enhance the user experience and make the phone smarter in meaningful ways. That's why we always start from user needs and pain points. And if a feature is valuable, we're open to either building it ourselves or working with partners to bring it to life.
Can you give us examples of technical partnership with other developers?
Sure. We found that users often come across some images or content that they don't understand on their phone and they want to ask about. So we work closely with Google to bring a circle to search feature, making it super easy to search anything instantly on your phone.
What three key features on Reno 14 differentiate it from competitors and how they solve unique user pain points?
The first one has to be MindSpace. It's a truly leading innovation, and it's also a big step forward in turning your smartphone into a real personal smart assistant.
What's so amazing about this feature?
Every day we handled tons of information on our smartphone, like schedules, images, chats, things that we want to save. But this saved content is often scattered across various apps, making it very inconvenient to find it later, as you need to remember the specific app. Now, with MindSpace on the Reno 14, saving content is effortless. With just a quick 3-finger swipe up, you can save anything into MindSpace from anywhere on your phone. You can easily find everything you saved in MindSpace without having to dig through different apps. And thanks to AI, it doesn't just store the info, it understands it too.
Can you elaborate? What do you mean?
If it notices something like an event or a meeting, it will automatically suggest adding it to a calendar, just like a real assistant would. What's more, it creates easy-to-read summaries of what you've saved, making it super convenient to view or search whenever you need. Currently, this feature is only available in English, but don't worry, more languages are on the way.
What is the second feature that makes Reno 14 stand out?
The second feature is AI VoiceScribe. On Reno 13, we've launched 2 features that got a lot of love from our users: Screen Translator and AI Summary. These tools helped users translate and summarize text content, which proved super useful. But we also got a lot of feedback that users wanted similar support when watching videos or attending online meetings, situations where they need audio-based translation or summaries. So, with Reno 14, we're introducing AI VoiceScribe. It can detect and process system audio in real time while a video is playing, turning it into live subtitles, and not just in the original language. It can also translate and display subtitles in other languages at the same time. On top of that, it supports summarization, giving you a quick overview of the video or meeting directly in Notes app.
How does this feature perform compared to similar features on the market?
Our feature supports more languages and works across more scenarios, whether you are watching videos, attending online meetings, or voice chatting in messaging apps. The third feature is AI Perfect Shot. When we take group photos, there's always something that doesn't go quite right. Maybe someone's blinking or a few friends don't have the best expression. And that often means we just can't get that one perfect shot. To fix this, we're introducing AI Perfect Shot. It uses generative model to create multiple facial expression for each person in your photo. You can adjust up to 20 people's expression in one photo so that you can finally get your perfect shot.
How do you evaluate the effect compared to other products?
Our results look more natural, and the feature works in more scenarios. It doesn't just fix closed eyes. It can also improve facial expression, even fine-tune things like eye direction.
How do Reno 14 features attract new user segments, especially Generation Z?
First of all, we believe that smoothness is still one of the most important values. A smooth system experience is the foundation for attracting all kinds of users. Based on our Trinity Engine and Luminous Rendering engine, we're introducing a brand new stacked layout in Reno 14. Notifications, recent tasks, and widgets now all have this incredibly fluid, layered animation, which feels and looks super smooth. We believe that these improvements will definitely appeal our new user groups and give them a great first impression of Reno 14.
So what cool features have we introduced on Reno 14 for Generation Z users?
For Generation Z, many of them are passionate about mobile gaming. So we've added a bunch of cool gaming features for them. One of these is AI LinkBoost, which helps reduce latency and keep the network connection stable during gameplay. And we also have a Footstep Sound Booster feature that makes it easier for users to pinpoint enemies' position in FPS games by amplifying the subtle footstep sounds.
With all these new upgrades and unique features, I hope that our users genuinely enjoy Reno 14 series. And if you have any questions regarding product design or software features, you can leave them in the comment section below, and we will cover it in our next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Bruce, for joining me.
Thank you.
And see you next time.
See you next time.